working with Unity game development and have BYTES raw asset files. These contain binary data used by Unity games and applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Unity raw asset files. Note on preparation: make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the BYTES file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here, and will be highlighted later on. A user, typically a game developer using the Unity engine, encounters BYTES files as a container for raw data. They are looking for how to import, read, or parse this data, which could be a text file, a custom binary format, or a shader, for use as a functional asset within their game project. The BYTES extension is intentionally generic, representing a raw sequence of bytes that Unity does not have a specific importer for. This design provides developers maximum flexibility to manage and parse custom data streams, such as text, configuration files, or serialized binary data using their own scripts. For reliable opening, Unity by Unity Technologies offers the best solution for BYTES. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows shows only limited details, so accessing these files depends on the engine or compatible modding utilities. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the BYTES file and click Open With. Test Unity first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If your BYTES file isn't cooperating, don't worry. General troubleshooting won't work on this BYTES file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, loading in Unity scripts. Reference BYTES files in Unity scripts using the resources. Load text asset method, or assigning them through the inspector. Access the raw bytes through the BYTES property of the text asset. Parse the byte data according to your custom format, reading values, converting types, or deserializing objects as needed for your game logic. Next, examining content. Open BYTES files in a hex editor like HXD to examine raw content. The byte patterns may reveal recognizable structures like image data, text strings, or custom formats. Understanding the content helps developers verify proper data inclusion and assists in reverse engineering legacy assets when project documentation is incomplete. Finally, generating BYTES files. Create custom BYTES files by saving binary data with the .bytes extension and importing into Unity's assets folder. Common workflows include exporting custom format data from external tools or generating runtime data structures for inclusion as embedded resources. Unity automatically recognizes the extension treating files as text assets. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.